What's good to best software deals? I'm Dippon with Appsumo, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today we're going to take a look at Empiraa, an easy-to-use business planning and execution tool that helps turn your static plans into action steps. Ideas aren't worth much if they're not executed. That's why Empiraa transforms your business plans from static documents into simple and effective actions using its AI-powered Objective Designer. After typing in a brief description of your business goal, the Objective Designer will streamline your entire goal-setting process. Within seconds, the AI will spit out tangible goals, KPIs, and OKRs that your team can get to work on right away. To put these objectives into action, all you gotta do is copy-paste the suggestions you like, assign them to team members, and set the time frame. If you want to click that Buy Now button and get down to business right away. I don't blame you, but if you want to stick around, we're going to show you how improv sharing can rally everyone around. A common goal for distributing your goals, KPIs and OKRs is an art form with improv. With the chat feature, you can keep discussions on Empiraa to rally everyone around the same vision. It's also super easy to share your dashboards with collaborators outside your organization like investors, shareholders, and consultants. The tried and true traffic light system will help any user immediately understand what objectives are on track, what's stagnant, and what needs attention ASAP. And because Empiraa can connect to over 6,000 platforms, you're able to pretty much collab with anyone on the planet. With all that new business coming your way, you're going to need to simplify. It empowers simplified metrics, and intuitive dashboards let you zoom in on specific problem areas while tracking overall performance. Just imagine you're a startup founder who wants to transform your vision into an actionable plan to share with potential investors. Or maybe you're the CEO of a small enterprise and you need to rally your team around difficult but necessary measures to keep growth alive. Empiraa will not only help you and your people take achievable steps, but it'll increase productivity now that everyone is being held accountable. So if you want to upgrade how you and your teammates tackle objectives, click Buy Now to start using Empiraa today. Otherwise, you will never know how much upside you're leaving on the table.